How to turn on message reminder notification on Snapchat. Today guys, I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when Snapchat is opening, you go up and open here your profile. Then go to settings and click and open. In settings, go to find notification and open it and go down. You will find here message reminder. You will turn on this notification or this option by clicking here. So now I turn on this option. So that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.